Day one.
It's the morning of day 2. Here's Anju. I had weird dreams. I felt like I couldn't breathe. And I'm really scared for today. Bye. Day 2, we got to second camp. I am having my electrolytes. So we went about 4 miles and we are over 11,000 feet.
Hey Liz, what time is it?
Washy, 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 washy. And tomorrow, new socks. Day 3. Having our morning coffee. I have a little nausea. It's a little cold, but otherwise not bad. Hang on. I want to get you in the video. Anju, say good morning. Wait, you hold it.
Good morning.
I
like my hair.
Morning of day 4. I'm actually feeling good. No headache. No. That's because I didn't take my Diamox yet.
Oh shit. Let me take mine.
Panic. I'm gonna take it with food. Maybe that'll be better. Cheers. It's day 5. I woke up with a very bad headache and very nauseous. Not looking good. It's gonna be windy today. And it was freezing cold. I woke up and was in a panic because I thought my down puffy was wet, but actually it was just cold. And then here's Anju. Are you in frame? So perky. I need to like get some of that through osmosis or something. Oh, we're summiting tonight. I'm scared. I had a really tough time breathing and my heart was racing so much. It took me 2 hours longer to get to the peak, but I did it. So we're on the bus because we just all climbed Mount Kilimanjaro and we are so ready for a hot